Hi children, good morning. How you all are? I hope you all might be fine. And today we are starting with page number 95 and we are starting with review 3 of chapter number, which chapter it is? 22. Okay, so we are starting review 3 of chapter 22 and today's date is 5th February 22. Okay, now fill in the blanks with the correct option from the bracket. I would love to eat an apple, but the apple must be juicy. This is an ostrich that hit Hemant on the head. Priya reached the venue an hour ago, but we were late and reached before the event started. Ali is an honest man, but not the most suitable person to handle accounts. Shimla is a densely populated city. Fill in the blanks with the correct degrees of comparison. The girls in our sections are best at playing sports. हमको इसका थर्ड डिग्री लिखना है. The sun was the most difficult. The sun is brightest now than it was in the morning. I am as active. इसी को हमको डिग्री के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. Mohit is more punctual than Kunal, but Arun is most punctual than all. Fill in the blanks. It was so cold outside, so I started shivering. Shivering means मुझे ठंड लगने लगी. When the students left the classroom after the exam, the teacher stayed there arranging the answer sheet. I shall invite Neeraj and Varun to my birthday party because they are my good friends. Mohan could have eaten a burger and a pizza, but he chose to eat a sandwich. As I finished my work, I will take you to the kids zone and then we can have dinner there. Okay, now we are starting our new chapter. Sentence. Read this group of words. Do they make sense? A rabbit, tortoise and a race ran. Ran under fast and rabbit and sleeper tree. अभी देखो आगे पीछे लिखा है, इसका सेंस नहीं हो रहा है. अब हमको ऐसे वर्ड्स जब हमको उनको मिला देते हैं और उसका कुछ मीनिंग निकलता है तो उसे हम सेंटेंस कहते हैं. अब देखो, a rabbit and a tortoise ran a race. The rabbit ran fast and slept under a tree. The tortoise kept on walking and won the race. Here the words in each group are in correct order, therefore make complete sense. These group of words are sentences. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Sentence वो होता है जो कि हमें किसी भी ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड का बहुत सारे वर्ड्स लिखे हैं लेकिन एक वो प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में लिखे हैं, उसे सेंटेंस कहा जाता है जिसका मीनिंग होता है. इट ऑलवेज बिगिंस विद अ कैपिटल लेटर. ये हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट होता है एंड एंड्स विद वन ऑफ दीज पंक्चुएशन मार्क. और लास्ट में या तो फुल स्टॉप होता है या क्वेश्चन मार्क होता है, ये एक्सक्लेमेटरी साइन. Now read these sentences to understand better. Susan has gone to her friend's house, full stop. Who came in just now, question mark. What a beautiful day, exclamatory mark. Now read this group of words. Mother and father at the bus stop will participate. Okay. Now अब इसको हमको करेक्ट करके लिखना है. Mother and father have gone फॉर अ वॉक. अब हमको कन्वर्ट करना है सेंटेंस. जैसे हरमन एंड अंकिता विल पार्टिसिपेट इन द डांस कॉम्पिटिशन. मीना सॉ हर स्कूल बस एट द बस स्टॉप एंड रैन फास्ट टू कैच इट. अब ये देखो यहाँ पे कंप्लीट मीनिंग निकल रहा है सेंटेंस का. इसके लिए कंप्लीट सेंटेंस है, उसका मीनिंग है, उसका सेंस है. अब यहाँ पे आप देखो, यहाँ सेंस नहीं है. मदर एंड फादर विल पार्टिसिपेट एट द बस स्टॉप, है ना. अब ये ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स है. अब इन ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स से हमने क्या बनाए हैं, ये सेंटेंस बनाए हैं. मदर एंड फादर हैव गॉन फॉर अ वॉक. Harman and Ankita will participate. Meena saw the school bus at the bus stop. ठीक है ना. Now exercise. Arrange the words in each group. अब इसमें देखो. Once upon a time was crow thirsty. Once upon a time there was a thirsty crow. Found his jug, some water in it with. He found a jug, some water within it. Could he reach not the water break with his? He could not reach the water with his beak. Idea got he, and he got an idea. The peoples he picked the jug near and them dropped in it. He picked the pebbles. Pebbles means pathar. Near the jug and dropped in it. The water rose the level of the crow and happily drank it. The level of water rose and the crow drank happily. Okay, this is the complete story. Thirsty crow वाली story है, उसको arrange करना है हमको. Okay. Now use these phrases in the sentence of your own. अब हमको ये phrases है, उनको लेके हमको sentence बनाना है. The angry lion saw his reflection in the water. 3 pencil. I have 3 pencils only. We will go to the park. Shouldn't misbehave. You should not behave. You should not misbehave with your teachers. In the garden. Children are playing in the garden. For the party, I bought a cake for the party. Okay. Now see. Rewrite with correct punctuation. The first sentence has been done for you. Now once upon a time a dog was carrying a bone. Okay. अब he यहाँ पे capital. He was crossing a bridge over a river and looked into the water. He saw another dog in the water with a bone in the mouth. The greedy dog wanted that bone too. He thought that he would bark and scare the another dog in the water. That dog would drop his bone and run away. This dog would pick up the bone too. When the dog opened his mouth to bark, his bone fell into the water. He realized that he had seen his reflection in the water. Okay. So now what you have to do in your homework? Exercise A, exercise B, exercise C. Okay, then in chapter 23rd, exercise A, exercise B, and exercise C you have to write. Okay, have a nice day children. Bye bye, take care.